What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I've gotten pretty busy in the shop, so I'm not going to get a chance to do a legit video this week, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on and touch base on a project that a lot of you have asked about quite often. So like I said, we've been busy in the shop. Over here, I'm working on 07K 5-cylinder head flanges. So we're working on those in this mill. I'm getting ready to start programming for several parts in this mill, turning some big copper ingots. But that's kind of top secret, so we're not going to talk about that. But that's happening over here in this lathe. And then over here, we're doing some repair work on the little DT1 mill. So we got to get that fixed and ready to roll for next week because we got a 1,000-part order that's going in there. So business is kind of the priority at the moment, but I'm trying not to leave you guys hanging. So let's talk a little bit about the project you guys have been wondering about for probably like 3 years now, maybe 4. I don't even know. You guys are always asking about this guy right here from the 1.8T engine build series. It is still sitting here. It's all ready to go. Just need some ancillary parts put on, but business and time has not been conducive to me getting my personal projects done. In the last several years, I've basically built my business. I've built a new shop, bought a new property, moved all my equipment 2 hours north, trying to get to know people up here and get more customers up in my local area here. So things have been a little bit slow to get going. So money's been tight. I built this beautiful shop. I'm sure you've seen it in some of the other videos, 6,000 square foot shop. So that kind of wasted my budget for anything fun. But I would like to get back to this 1.8T build at some point. We've got a couple chassis here that we can use. That one's an 84 Rabbit, was originally a diesel. And then this one is a 337, but it's been converted to all-wheel drive with the TT rear pan and Gen 1 haul decks in the rear. So this one would be a great candidate for a really fun street car, but I've just been sitting on these for years. So this Porsche being my last project that I'm taking on for a customer, I'm hoping they find some time to get back to some of this stuff. I know a lot of you guys would like to see it. So what you guys can do to help me get there as fast as possible is keep supporting the channel. Go to the website, lpsfab.com. We have our own products there, as well as Max ECU products. We sell PSR turbos, Formula Z, Z pipes. So go over there, buy some cool shit, and just basically stay tuned and make these videos worth it for me to do. They are extremely time consuming, and I can actually make money doing other things, so I have to keep building this channel to make it worth it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, all those things. Anything to help support and grow the channel is a huge help. Keep commenting. I do see your comments. I haven't answered them all because I'd like to cover some of that in videos, but I am reading them and I do see them. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back after it soon on the video front. Thanks for following along. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.